How to accept Facebook page admin request. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Basnat, and today I'll guide you on how you can accept the Facebook page admin request that you have received on Facebook. Well, basically the process itself is actually quite simple and easy, so let me guide you through. First things first, as you know, if you get any notifications on Facebook, it will show up in the notification panel, right? Similarly, if you get the admin request from any Facebook page, then you'll get it on your notification bar as well. So you want to simply open up Facebook, you want to log into your account that you have got the admin request on. You can simply head into your notifications options, and here you'll be able to get the notification. In my case, I don't have any admin request currently, but you can see I have earned a rising fan badge, and I have earned a rising badge. I can accept it here by simply tapping on it and accepting badge. Similarly, if you get the admin page request, it'll show up in the notification bar. All you have to do is simply tap on it and you'll get the option to either reject it or to accept it. So if you want to accept it, simply tap on accept. Like here is the option accept badge. Similarly, you'll get the option to accept for the page admin request. So you want to simply accept it. So this way you can easily accept Facebook page admin request on Facebook. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.